Here we are with race number 148, under 19 boys, W6 250 metre TK semi, 3 of 3 in lane 1. We have Napier Boys High School. In lane 2, Te Kura o Te Kao. Lane 3, Rotorua Boys High School. Lane 4, Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Mangere. Lane 5, Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Te Rito. Lane 6, Linda's Farm College. Lane 7, Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Ngāti Ruanui. Lane 8, Tauranga Boys College. Lane 9, Fairfield College. Lane 10, Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Horauta Wānanga. And Lane 11, Te Kura Māori o Ngā Tapuai. Now, Hami, as we're waiting for these flags to go up, as a seat 1, what do you do when you're coming up to the start line?
You just gotta make sure you aren't over the start, because yeah, they could really mess you up.
However, out there with a quick turn of flags, the red flag's already up flying in the wind as our Waka drift up to the start line. Lane 1 drifting up close, and we have a green flag to start our TK semi. Lane 1 off to a good start. And lane 4, Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Mangere. Oh, bit of a clash out there.
But in lane 4, with a
pretty convincing lead out there, however. Out there in lanes, oh, it's pretty close. Lane 10, 11 and 1. Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Horauta Wānanga, Te Kura Māori o Ngā Tapuai and Napier Boys High School. But out there in lane 4, Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Mangere.
They are giving it their all at Te Whānau.
Coming up to the finish line, going hearty. And it's a battle out there for second place. Or I think there might have been lane 11, Te Kura Māori o Ngā Tapuai. And just behind them, next to them, Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Horauta Wānanga. Man, that was a pretty close finish. But here we have our victors for race number 148, Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Mangere.
Here we have the replay of lane 1 off to a flying start, but lane 4 giving it their all. What a quick race that was. Bit of a collision here on the inside, but lane 4.
Also out there in lane 10 and 11, as well as lane 1. All in that fight for that second place to make it through to that final. But I think it might just have been lane 11, then lane 10. But I think also lane 5 was coming up there in the middle.